Have you ever wanted to truly connect with the heart of Irish culture, perhaps by uttering a simple greeting that opens doors and smiles? Imagine arriving in a charming Irish village, wanting to say hello in a way that shows respect and warmth. Well, the proper way to say Dia Dhuit, which means hello in Irish Gaelic, is pronounced Dia Dhuit. It is a fundamental greeting that locals appreciate, and it expresses a genuine interest in their language and traditions. This phrase is specifically used when saying hello to one person. The phrase Dia Dhuit literally translates to God to you. This beautiful origin reflects the deep historical and spiritual roots embedded within the Irish language. It is not just a casual hello, but a blessing, a recognition of shared humanity and goodwill that has been part of Irish communication for centuries. Understanding this meaning helps you appreciate the warmth and depth behind such a common phrase. To help you say it correctly, let us break it down. The first word Dia is pronounced like the English word di and then so dia. The second word Dhuit is a bit trickier. The DH sound is often like a soft G in English, so think of the G in good. Then you have the WIT sound, like the English word wit. So together it is Dia Dhuit. Practicing it slowly and listening to native speakers will greatly improve your pronunciation. An interesting nuance is that Dia Dhuit is part of a call and response greeting. If someone says Dia Dhuit to you, the proper response is Dia is Muir Dhuit, pronounced Dia Iss Mwira Dhuit, which means God and Mary to you. This extended greeting adds another layer of tradition to the simple act of saying hello, reflecting a communal aspect of Irish culture. Knowing this shows a deeper respect for local customs. By confidently using Dia Dhuit, you are not just speaking words, you are engaging with the vibrant tapestry of Irish heritage and making a memorable connection with the people you meet. It is a small effort that yields big rewards in enriching your travel experience and fostering genuine interactions. So, go ahead and share a little bit of Ireland with your voice.